represented by the Division Nurse 2, Mrs. Rian C. Ito. Our Municipal Vice Mayor, Honorable Ramon Alejandro G. Bungabong, Sir. To our ever-brilliant Public School District Supervisor, Mrs. Adelaida S. Pacon, Ma'am. To our knowledgeable school principal, Mr. Ricky Taza, Sir. To our barangay officials headed by Barangay Captain Honorable Virgilio D. Las Cunha, Cap. PTA officials headed by General PTA President, Ms. Roselyn M. Cuevas, Ma'am. To our hardworking and gorgeous teachers, beloved and supportive parents, honored guests, visitors, school graduates, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I am truly fortunate at this moment because I am one of the honors of which every pupil dreams of. We are proud to show the whole world that we repeat the fruits of our 6 years of struggle. Being a pupil, despite of all the hardships and challenges we experience, but the journey may not end up here. This is only a beginning. The certificate and the medals that we have received today is a token, telling us that at long last we are through with our elementary education. At this moment, allow me to express my gratitude to the people who have shared a precious moment with us. First of all, I thank God for all the blessings He bestowed on us. Thank you, Father God, for our healthy heart and mind. Thank you so much for the beauty of life we have. To our dear parents, thank you so much for rearing us, for caring and loving us, for giving us what we need. You are the inspiration of our endeavor. To my mama and papa, thank you for bringing me into this world. Whatever our experiences and challenges, the ups and downs we had, I still believe that there's a path of gold at the end of the rainbow. Sa akong papa, nga bisan wala siya naka-witness sa akong mga achievements sa school, tungod kay 5 years old pa lang ko, wala na ako siya nakauban in person. Tungod sa mga panghitabo, wala lang ha. Still, I will humbly say that this is for you, my beloved Papa Lindy. Sa akong mama madiling, nga wala jud nawad-an o paglaon, bisan sa mga kalisod sa kinabuhi. My 2 thumbs up for you. Salamat ma kay naa ka kanunay nagpaluyo sa tanan. To my siblings, cousins, and relatives, thank you for we have each other to thick and thin. To our dear teachers, thank you very much. We deeply appreciate your kindness. We sincerely recognize your efforts of boarding the nice candle, for showing your sacrifice and treating us as your real children. Thank you for nurturing our minds, which enables us to see the real and meaningful purpose of our existence. To my beloved alma mater, thank you for serving us as our second home. We will promise to bring the values as we walk forward to strive another challenge. To my schoolmates, classmates, and friends, thank you for the friendship you shared. Thank you for sharing those happy and sad moments in our lives. My fellow graduates, today is a dream come true. According to Nelson Mandela, a famous philanthropist, a winner